Pretty cool. Mt Hood Meadows in the middle of the summer. It's August the 19th, I think. Don't think I've ever been here at Meadows in the summer. 80 degrees.
Are you surprised?
Yeah, Andrea's taking us on the adventure. We didn't know where we were going.
Surprise adventure! Woo! This is a ski lift, dude. Do you want me to take your phone? Actually,
On the lift, going up Mt Hood Meadows.
Yes.
Babe,
Hello.
this is Andrea's idea. She surprised us with all this. How's it going? Yeah. How's it going, Ryan?
Yes.
Evan, what do you think?
Good.
First time on a ski lift for Evan. There's a mountain over there. This is bizarre to see Mt Hood Meadows with no snow.
No skiers.
Pretty cool, man. Thanks, babe.
You're welcome.
Yay!
Kind of cool down that way. You see our truck way out there in the parking lot.
Let's not go that fast.
Now I know why they call it Mt Hood Meadows, because there's so many like clearings and meadows up here.
And trees.
So we decided to take the Timberline Trail because there's supposed to be some good views and a waterfall and some other cool stuff. So just got off the Chairlift. You can see kind of through the trees. It's beautiful.
Go straight.
Or did he say to the right?
I thought he said straight, and you'll hit come up with Timberline Trail.
Okay, this is Timberline Trail. It said Timberline Trail.
I said to Timberline.
Oh, okay. I think that was the one that the guy down there said too. It was Timberline Trail.
Yeah.
Trying to pick up your feet, guys. Both you and Evan are like making a ton of dust.
Nice, Evan. Much better.
That was a pretty sight up there. Tons of pretty wildflowers. I may have to space out from Ryan. He's a dust buster. Still on the Timberline Trail. Walking out. This is kind of cool because it's so heavily wooded. I can't believe all the wildflowers. August. Thought they would be dried up with as hot as it's been. Coming around the next bend. Got a little video, a little stream on the Timberline Trail. Beautiful. Where's Andrea? Way over there on the other side. Get over here, Evan. Get closer. Number 6. Can walk on this, but nothing else. I'm assuming that's Heather's Canyon down there. Timberline Trail detour ahead. Oh yeah, I see it too. Wow, this must be Heather's Canyon. Kind of sketchy right through here. These are kind of cool looking. These, I don't know what kind of berries they are, but they're all over along here in this meadow. You can hear some bigger water down ahead of us. We heard that there's some kind of a waterfall up here. Let's see if we see more. Definitely can hear some bigger water. Oh, there's a cool picture of the mountain.
The closer we get, the louder it gets.
I think this is all part of Heather's Canyon. I know I said that before. This is still the Timberline Trail, and we're finally up on the what we think is the waterfall the guy was telling us about, up at the top of the ski lift. Wow. No, we're not crossing this, guys. Guys, we're gonna stop here. How pretty is that? You guys go stand up there and I'll get a picture of you. So we were obviously experiencing some of the wildfire smoke that's blown in up here on Mt Hood at Mt Hood Meadows. Yeah, this has been a really cool experience. Thanks, babe. The hike around up here was awesome to see it without, snow and in a totally different light.
Stop at the center. Which way do I want to go?
There was the round trip.